The second question was, the Gupta period in Indian history is often referred as the golden age. Golden age of India. To what extent is this characterization justified? So first is saying that it is considered like this. So do this characterization is justified or not? That you have to justify. So first, how I started, Gupta period between 300 CE to 600. Time period is given, established by Sri Gupta. Personality is given, termed as the golden period of India. Location is given. So period, personality, place. Three things is seen here, which I just now explained to you how we have to introduce. It can be here also. Clear? Are you able to see that? What I told you? Implemented. If I am able to do within that same time, can you do it? Yes or no? Yes, right? You have to do it. Then, such characterization is justified because, again, the language of the question. It's saying, is it justified? To what extent is it justified? Such characterization is justified in this way. Artistic excellence keyword is shown in the sculptures of Sarnath school. Literature diversity and depth shown in the Abhigyan Sakuntalam by Kalidas. Technological advancement like Aryabhatta Surya Siddhantika. Medicinal mastery like Sushrut Siddhanta. I gave a small map of location, exactly what I saw. 3 point. Shown the Gupta. Clear? Next. Other points like temple architecture. I also made a small temple diagram. Value addition. Then political stability, economic growth, diverse art form, because it was asking about the history, not only about the art. So I brought the political, economic as well as the art forms. But since I know that mostly it is known as the golden period because of its artistic excellence, that's why I prioritized that based on my understanding. I could have written political first if it was like that, but I feel that based on my understanding of Gupta period, it is more because of the art forms. So that's why I prioritize that. Getting? Then here one value addition, small map. You saw that I drawn that stupa within 10 seconds, 10-15 seconds. Similarly, I have the practice to draw. So that's why I am able to do that. So you have to practice it, then you can make it within less time. Clear? Then lastly is that, however, there were limitations in such characterization. So it's not 100% because there are limitations. Here gave exaggeration by the writers. They try to praise the ruler. No? Then economic decline happened, limited to North India. Right? Cholas and those were not mentioned. No? Social evils like Sati was there. However, despite limitations, Gupta age is symbolic in cultural evolution of India. UNESCO rightly recognized its temple as World Heritage Site. Recently, they have recognized.